హలో వ్యూయర్స్, మనం ఇవాటి నుంచి ఫర్దర్ వచ్చే వీడియోస్లో తెలంగాణ సోషియో ఎకనామిక్ అవుట్లుక్ 2024 గురించి చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ మనకి లిస్ట్ చేసినట్టు టేబుల్ ఆఫ్ కంటెంట్స్ సెక్షన్ 1లో ఎకానమీ, మ్యాక్రో ఎకనామిక్ ట్రెండ్స్, పబ్లిక్ ఫైనాన్స్. సెక్షన్ 2లో అగ్రికల్చర్ అండ్ అలిడ్ సెక్టార్, అగ్రికల్చర్ గురించి హార్టికల్చర్, యానిమల్ హస్బెండరీ అండ్ ఫిషరీస్, ఫారెస్ట్ అండ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. సెక్షన్ 3లో సోషల్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ అండ్ డెవలప్మెంట్, అందులో సబ్ పార్ట్స్గా వెల్ఫేర్, ఎడ్యుకేషన్ అండ్ స్కిల్ డెవలప్మెంట్, హెల్త్ అండ్ వెల్బీయింగ్, ఉమెన్ అండ్ చైల్డ్ వెల్ఫేర్, పంచాయత్ రాజ్ అండ్ రూరల్ డెవలప్మెంట్, అర్బన్ డెవలప్మెంట్. సెక్షన్ 4లో ఎకనామిక్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్, ఎనర్జీ, ఇరిగేషన్, ట్రాన్స్పోర్టేషన్, డిజిటల్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్. సెక్షన్ 5లో ఇండస్ట్రీస్ అండ్ సర్వీసెస్, ఇండస్ట్రీస్ అండ్ సర్వీసెస్లో ఇండస్ట్రీస్ సర్వీసెస్. సెక్షన్ 6లో గవర్నెన్స్ గురించి చూద్దాం. ఇప్పుడు ఇవాళ మనం ఫస్ట్ సెక్షన్ ఎకానమీలో మ్యాక్రో ఎకనామిక్ ట్రెండ్స్ గురించి చూద్దాం. నార్మల్గా ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ చూస్తే తెలంగాణది 29th స్టేట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫార్మ్డ్ ఆన్ 2nd June 2014. తెలంగాణ బార్డర్స్ విత్ మహారాష్ట్ర, ఛత్తీస్గఢ్, కర్ణాటక అండ్ ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్. ఇట్ ఈస్ ద రీజియన్ లైస్ బిట్వీన్ 15 degrees 50 minutes and 10 seconds north to 19 degrees 55 minutes and 4 seconds north latitudes. When coming to longitudes, it is between 77 degrees 14 minutes and 8 seconds east and 81 degrees 19 minutes 16 seconds east longitudes. In terms of population and area wise, Telangana rank 12th in terms of population with 350.04 lakh residents as per 2011 census. And coming to Telangana ranked 11th in terms of area, which is 1,12,079 square kilometers. Godavari and Krishna rivers majorly drained the region with 79% and 69% of catchment areas, where state has 620 mandals and 12,769 gram panchayats. When we see the sectoral contribution to the economy of GSVA at current prices, in the year 2023 to 24, service sector stands in the top position in Telangana, followed by industries and agriculture and allied. Service sector occupies 65.7% in Telangana's sectoral contribution. When coming to industries, it is 18.5% and agriculture and allied 15.8%. When coming to the per capita income and debt, Telangana seen a rise in per capita income. Per capita income of 2014 to 15 is 1,24,014. When coming to 2023 and 24, it is 3,47,299. Total debt surged from 72,000 to 72,658 crore to 6,71,757 crore. ఇంక్రీజ్ ఆఫ్ 824.5%. అంటే దీని మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే ఒక్కరి పైన ఇంత ఉండేది, ఇప్పుడు దానికి ఇంత పర్సెంట్ ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది. అప్పు ఒక పర్సెంట్ పైన తెలంగాణలో ఉన్న ప్రతి ఒక్క మనిషి పైన అప్పు అనేది 824.5% అనేది ఇంక్రీజ్ అయింది. నెక్స్ట్, ఇన్ 2023 to 24 తెలంగాణ GSDP అందరికీ తెలిసి ఉంటుంది. జిఎస్డిపి అంటే ఏంటి, జీడిపి అంటే ఏంటి, జీవీఏ అంటే ఏంటి, జిఎస్విఏ అంటే ఏంటి అని. ఇన్ 2023 to 24 తెలంగాణ జిఎస్డిపి ఎట్ కరెంట్ ప్రైసెస్ ఈస్ 14.64 lakh rupees, increased by 11.9%. In 2023 to 24 the per capita income at current prices in Telangana is 3.47 lakh, which is 1.64 lakh higher than national per capita income. As per first advanced estimates of national income for financial year 2023 to 24, India's real GDP is projected to grow at 7.3%. ఇది ఎక్స్టర్నల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. ఇక్కడ వరల్డ్ ఎకనామిక్ అవుట్లుక్ ఈస్ పబ్లిష్డ్ బై IMF ఇన్ ఏప్రిల్ 2024. నెక్స్ట్, GSDP గురించి చూద్దాం. నార్మల్గా జీడిపి అంటే ఏంటి? Monetary value of all final goods and services produced in an economic year during any year కదా. అట్లనే ఇది స్టేట్ వైజ్, విత్ ఇన్ ఏ స్టేట్. GSDP at కరెంట్ ప్రైజెస్. మనకి కరెంట్ ప్రైజెస్ ఉంటుంది, కాన్స్టాంట్ ప్రైజెస్ ఉంటుంది. కరెంట్ అది తెలుసుకోవాలి. జీడిపి ఉంటుంది, జిఎస్డిపి ఉంటుంది. మళ్ళీ మనకి ఇక్కడ డిఫరెన్సెస్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. ఏఈ అంటే ఏంటి అట్లా ఉంటుంది, అడ్వాన్స్డ్. సో లెట్స్ సీ వాట్ ఈస్ GSDP. It measures the GSDP is nothing but it measures the monetary value of all the final goods and services produced in an economy during any given year. Let's see what is the GSDP at the rate current prices. In 2023 to 24, Telangana nominal GSDP was valued at 14.64 lakh crore, reflecting growth rate of 11.9% in 23-24. What is the national economy? It is 9.1. What is the difference? It is 2.8% growth rate difference between Telangana and national economy. When we compare, 11.9 is the highest value. So we can say Telangana is good at GSDP in current prices. 2020 to 23, Telangana is last year socio-economic outlook. 22 to 23, Telangana is 16.4, all India is 14.2, difference is 2.2. State wise, when we see the state wise of 23 and 24, Tamil Nadu stands first in the GSDP current prices production and followed by UP, Telangana in the third place, Rajasthan and Haryana. Telangana's contribution to India's GDP increase. As we have seen, the percentage of increase is 2.8% of growth rate. Now let's see what is GSDP at constant 2011 and 2012. 2011 and 12, Telangana's GSDP is 7.4%. National's real GDP is 7.6%. GDP's growth rate in terms of percentages is in 2022 and 23 to 24. Telangana is 6.9%, all India 7%. It is 0.1% difference in 2022 and 23. In 2022 and 23, all India's contribution is more than Telangana. When coming to 2023 and 24, here also it repeated the same. All India's contribution of GDP is more than Telangana. We can see here Telangana is 7.4 and all India is 7.6. It is a difference value of 0.2%. GSDP growth rate at constant 2011 and 12 prices for general category states 2023 and 24. When coming to states, here we can see Odisha stands first, followed by Tamil Nadu, UP, and Telangana stands at 7th position with 7.4%. 7.4% with the highest contribution of technology and service sector. Next topic is per capita income. We already know what is per capita income. Let's see. It is the fundamental metric in economics that helps to gauge living standards, economic development and the distribution of wealth within the population. In 23-24, Telangana's per capita income is 3,47,299. In financial year 21-22 to 23-24, Telangana has seen growth in per capita income compared to the national average. These are more important points because they can ask the question like Telangana did not show any growth in per capita income when compared to 21-22 to 23-24. As we know that it has seen a growth in per capita income, we can write it properly. The multiplier effect which denotes the Telangana's per capita income growth relative to the national average has steadily increased from 1.78 in 2021-22 to 1.90 in 23-24. Now let's see the sectoral analysis. Sectoral analysis. Where is the source? Source from Ministry of Statistical. So here sectorial composition of GSVA at the rate current prices. for Telangana in 2021 to 23-24. Let's see the sectorial composition of gross state value addition at the rate current prices. When we see here, service sector contribution is more than industries and agriculture. In 23-24, service sector contribution is 65.7%, whereas industries is 18.5% and agriculture is 15.8%. In GVA, the rate current prices for all India 21-22 to 23-24. When we see service sector contribution is 54.9% and industries 27.6%, agriculture is 17.6%. So here we can observe, what we can observe is it is the rapid increase. It is the steady increase year by year. It is the steady increase in agriculture. In 22-23 it decreased it decreased 1%. When coming to growth percent, when coming to the growth percent, service sector, industries and agriculture, we have to see the Telangana and India wise. In service sector in Telangana in 21 and 22 is 24.2, whereas India 18.5. We can say that Telangana's contribution to the service sector in growth rate overall India is in Telangana is more than India, and it repeats the same year. It repeats the same year by year. In 23 and 24, Telangana contribution is 14.6, and in coming to India, it is 9.5. Same as industrial, it is 9.7 in Telangana and 9.4 in India in 23 and 24 year. But when we see the agriculture's contribution in Telangana is less. It is less than 0.6%. Whereas in India, agriculture contribution is more. It is 4.6%. We have to note all these points because they can ask that which is the highest contribution in India and which is the highest contribution in Telangana. We can say the service sector contribution is more in Telangana. When coming to growth rate or GVA or GSVA, service sector's contribution in 23-24 is more. Now contribution of sectors to GSVA or GVA growth rate at current prices for Telangana and all India of 2021 to 22 to 23 to 24 contribution to growth rate. Let's see, 23 to 24, Telangana's contribution to service sector is 9.4. As the percentage is gradually decreasing, it stands the top in the contribution overall India, because overall India is also decreasing. When here we can see in 21-22, service sector contribution from Telangana is 14.4%, whereas India 9.6, and 22-23 it is from Telangana it is 12.4, India wise it is 9.6, Telangana is 9.4 and India it is 5.2. Here we can see as the number is gradually decreasing also, it stands the top in service sector, stands the highest contribution in overall India. When coming to industries in 23 and 24, India's contribution is more than the Telangana's contribution, where Telangana's contribution stands at 1.9%, whereas in India's contribution is 2.2%. Overall India's contribution is 2.2%. When coming to agriculture sector, it is India's contribution is 0.8% and Telangana's contribution is 0.7%. This table is regarding the contribution of sectors to GSVA, gross state value addition, or GVA, gross value addition growth at current prices for Telangana and all India. Now let's see district level indicators. Now let's see district level indicators. GDP. GDP is nothing but gross district domestic product. 16 districts out of 33 districts recorded a growth rate higher than the national nominal GDP growth rate, 14.2% in 22-23. GDP at current prices for Telangana district 22-23. First place stands Rangareddy, second place Hyderabad, third place Medchal Malkajgiri, fourth place Sangareddy, fifth place Nalgonda, and from the bottom Janagam, Narayanpet, Rajanna Sircilla, Komrambi Masibabad and Mulugu. When coming to per capita income in districts, all districts in state have higher per capita income than the country's per capita income. This point is more important. Than the country's per capita income, all the districts in the state have higher per capita income. In the year 22 and 23, per capita income at current prices for Telangana district, we can see here. Same, Rangareddy tops the place, next Hyderabad, next Sangareddy, Malkajgiri, Jaishankar, Bhupalpalli. From the last Kamareddy, Hanmakonda, Jagityal, Komrambi Masibabad and Vikarabad. These variations underscore the diverse economic landscape of Telangana with disparities in income levels across districts influenced by urbanization, industrialization, agriculture productivity and infrastructure development.